Hey everyone, I'm at a new construction community, brand new. They just started selling at Chestnut Grove here in Douglasville, Georgia. This is one of the only spots where you can still get a property and the mortgage is like $1,000, and I'm not even playing. The townhomes start at $279,900. And they're running great promotions, incentives. I know these are gonna go very fast, so I wanted to make sure that I got on here and I was one of the first agents to show you the Cosmo plan. So if you're interested in this community, make sure that you reach out to me and my team. We'll be more than happy to service you and get you some more information on available lots. And yeah, let's get them before they're gone. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.